Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses are Nicky, like you told them to the hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants up, baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to step me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes these nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
Yes. Yes.